So let me run you through the new generative AI-enabled expert system builder from Pratexo. In this video, a machine expert will be using the system to define a fault cause graph around a machine to enable intelligent predictive maintenance. First, we put the name of the machine or system in. This is actually all the builder needs to get started, but we could import more information if we like. Immediately, a sample fault cause graph is created just to really test if our AI algorithm is thinking in the right direction. At this point, the expert begins to build out the full fault cause graph, assisted all along the way by Pratexo artificial intelligence. In this case, she is identifying some certain faults that this transformer might undergo. You can see the graph is starting to be built out. Then some potential causes for those faults, again, the causes suggested by AI. In addition to the AI suggested causes, of course, the user can also manually enter in causes such as harmonic distortion in this case, a true collaboration between the machine expert and their AI co-pilot. Let's add some causes related to the oil leak issue. We'll accept those, and we're ready to go. You can see the graph is starting to be built out. Now we know that generative AI can write computer code, but how about algorithms to analyze streaming data in our expert system? Let's see it in action. In this case, let's have the expert system write some code for an indicator related to our temperature sensor. Write an algorithm that measures how fast the temperature is rising in a 60-second time period. The algorithm should have an output value of 0 if there is no temperature rise, and a value of 1 if the temperature rise is 5 degrees or more. Other output values should scale in between. And now let's see the expert system write the code. And there you have it. Pretty amazing. Finally, we have the completed fault cause graph, including faults, causes, indicators, sensors, and then, as I mentioned, the predictions and the actions, send SMS messages, fire on off an MQTT message, and many others. This is not just a pretty picture. All of the code, the rules, the algorithms have all been written by AI in conjunction with the machine expert. And of course, now we have to deploy it. And what would you use to deploy the system to your operational edge other than the Pratexo Studio itself? So we're going to get that package ready to deploy, go into the studio, and then drag in some of the key components from the expert system that we just created using the expert system builder, and away we go. Finally, we're looking at a dashboard here, actually showing one of the faults occurring, identifying some of the potential root causes, and then identifying what the indicators and sensors were that flagged this particular fault, and going all the way to the actions, in this case, sending an SMS to a service technician and firing off a deeper analytics algorithm.